Okay, welcome once again to Money Market Square, and this video is part two of how to trade on Berry crypto trading platform. Not too long ago, I did the part one, so I just want to play do the part two to show us what action you need to take after you have taken your trade. Today we traded BSS points, BSS against USDT, and I was able to make my initial fund was okay. Let me check my initial fund, my initial capital. I have to check that. I have to go to this Blueberry deposits and earn. And when you get to this page, just click on account. And then my initial deposit was, my initial capital rather was 682.578. So now I've traded and then I've made some profit. So my new capital now is 698.81821. So at this point, I can stake it against tomorrow, where I'll earn some profit again on this said amount. So how to do that is just to click on this Blueberry. Then I'll click on subscription. When it gets here, to ask you how much you want to subscribe. I'm subscribing the maximum. Then I'll check this box just to agree, and then I'll click on confirm subscription. So I've done that. For you to check what you have done, just click on account again, and here you have it. You can see there's no cumulative profit. By this time tomorrow, at this particular time, you will see some figures here, which should be about $2 plus. If you look at the previous record, you can see that there's an increment: 1.54, 1.59, 1.62, 165, 168, 171, 174, 179, 184, 187, 190, 193, 195, 198, then 2.04. So tomorrow it's going to be definitely going to be around 2 point something. And then at that time, what I need to do is just to click on early redemption. When I do that, then whatever value that I have here is what I'm going to use to trade for tomorrow. So ever since I started, which is about getting to close to 2 months now, I've made $37 in addition to my capital. And yesterday's earning is saying I earned 4.0 USDT. Well, I don't know how I did the calculation, but that's what the result is saying here. And my new asset now is 698. So let me quickly go back to, okay, let me copy this. Let me copy this and go back to my Excel sheet I showed earlier in part one. I'm going to put it here. And so I made this figure here is showing that I made a profit of 2.3792%, which amounts to 16.24 USDT. That's US dollar. And the coin I traded is BSS. So tomorrow, let me just remove this. Let me remove this. So by tomorrow, which is day 17, then I'll do the update again. So I'm trying to watch it till the end of for the next 30 days. And let me see what it amounts to. So at the moment, I've made $171 on top of my $500, and then also $26 from staking, making a total of $198. And that is why you are seeing 698.8182 here. So 698.8182 is what you are going to see here. So you can see 698.8182. That's the figure here. So I'm taking a record. I really want to see how much it's going to turn to at the end of the day. Now let's go back to the spot trading. So you don't just trade on your own here, unless you know what you are doing. But from the group that I belong to, we wait for signals on daily basis. And then as for the group, this is how the signal comes on daily basis. This one was of yesterday on the 4th. This one is for it was for on the 3rd. As you can see, on the 3rd, this was on the 3rd. Then on the 4th, on the 2nd, you can see this one. We have it for the 2nd. So we have different coins for different days, and then when we are done, then we move on. We wait for the next day for another signal. So, and like today's own, which is BSS that we did. Let's see. So you can see the trade. The trade happened there. It's like a pop up, at this time, and then this is the point where we bought it. You can see it's 12.26. Then I sold it at 22.89. And that gave me how much? 2.37%, which amounts to $16. So that's how we roll on this platform. If you want to join this platform, the link to join is underneath this in the description underneath the video. And then the minimum to fund is just $50, which I will say let it be your spare fund. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing what is giving money. And as I said earlier in part 1, I started with $51, which I grew up to $133, which I later added some fund to make $500 and then start all over again. And as you can see, I'm almost hitting how much? Almost like should I say 200%? Sorry, 200%, almost like 20. Is it 20% or 40%? Yeah, 40% of almost 40% of my capital. So the moment I hit $1,000, I will withdraw my capital. Then I'll start trading with the house fund. This house fund, that's the profit I've made from this platform. So that is that. And then another thing is that the moment you stake your money, the moment you stake your fund, for the day, nobody can withdraw your money from your account because it's to be locked. For you to make withdrawal, as soon as you want to make withdrawal tomorrow, you will not stake your fund today. You will not stake it. You will leave it open. And then by 8 o'clock, from 8 o'clock Nigerian time or 20:00 South African time, or whatever time equivalent in your country, you can, because I don't know who is watching this video, you can make withdrawal from your account, and you are being charged, I think, around 6% withdrawal fee. That means if you are withdrawing $100, for example, you get about $94 in your wallet. So that's how it's being done. So very simple step. You receive the signal. You prepare your page by picking here. Pick the coin you have to trade. Then after that, you come here and put the amount and wait for the time to buy and just click buy. If you have already staked your fund, you go to this place, then you click on account, you go to Blueberry, deposit and earn, then you click on account, then you click on early redemption. Early redemption, then the money will automatically leave your staking account and come to your spot trading account. Then it will appear here. This page you are seeing zero amount, you see the money there. Then you can now go ahead to buy whatever coin for that day when it is time. And all that you need to watch out for, apart from the time, is also the value, the price of that coin at that time that you have to buy it. So the moment you hit the time, the price, and very close to the time you have to sell it, to buy it, just click on buy. Then the moment you buy it, the value of that coin will start show on that sell page. Then you also set it by putting the value and wait for the time to elapse for you to sell it. And at the same time, you watch the price here to ensure that two of them tally, even though most importantly, the price to sell it is what is very important to you. So the moment you have that price, the next thing for you to do is just to click on sell. Then wait for some minutes. The price will appear here. Then you go to Blueberry again. This time around, you click on subscription, then you click on maximum, then you are good to go. Don't click on subscription. Now, if I click here now, you see zero. You enter the correct rate because I've already done the subscription, so nothing is there in my account again. Then you check the agreement button and you click on subscription. So you are done for the trading. So in my next video, I'm going to show us how to make deposits and also how to make withdrawal. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and also share it to your friends who might be interested. And as I said earlier, endeavor to use your spare fund for this program. You know, everything online is a risk, but not. But even with that, we still have to just take the risk. Most sometimes, you know, uh, our decision might be right. So, but I've been on this for close to 2 months now. I've completed a month already, where I grew the money I have from $51 to $133. After which I topped it up to $500, and I'm in the middle of it already. As you can see here, I have spent 16 days now. So the next 16 days, next 14 days, for the month of maybe 20 days or 30 days, as the case may be, I will now know how much I've been able to generate, which I expect it to have doubled. I expect this my fund to have doubled, as in hitting $1,000. Now I'm already at 698, which is close to $700. After which I'll make my withdrawals and then start continue the program with my house funds. So thank you very much for watching. This Money Market Square, where we share different opportunities for our delighted audience. So continue to check for any updates. Click the like button, click the share button, so that anytime I make any new video, you'll be able to receive it, and then you'll be the first person to receive such publication. So thank you very much. See you in part 3 of this video.